This is the 2024 Jayco Whitehawk 26FK. All right, here we are inside the 2024 Jayco Whitehawk 26FK. So I'm going to give you some wide angle shots here. We're going to look at everything, and then I'll show you what it's actually going to look like, you know, through your eyes. Love this kitchen. Massive countertops. Got a big stainless steel sink with the cutting board and the drain cover. Or the drying rack. That's what it's called. It's a drying rack. Get huge counters. Automotive front windshield. That's standard on your Whitehawks. Something you don't get in a J-Feather. You got power towers on both sides here. So you got room for like a margarita machine, a toaster. You can plug in your phone. Or when you're not using it, push it in and you get a wireless charger. Now for 2024, the upper cabinets are on a locking hinge and soft close. Knife block behind the stove with that nice backsplash. Everchill 12 volt fridge. You still open it from both sides, but you can't open it from both sides at once, so you can't rip that door off easily. Let me open up all the cabinets, all the drawers, and I'll show you what's going on in there. Absolute loads of storage in here. Like tons of storage. All these drawers are 5-piece, and it's a really clean white color this year, which I love. Love, love, love to see. This one, we've got the dinette and the theater seating. This table is removable, so you can fold it up, you can take it outside. That turns into a bed. Got these lovely lights. Look at the design on the roof. Super cool. Accent lighting under the dinette, as you can kind of see there. Over in the entranceway, you got a folding table to go with the outside griddle. Up here we've got your JayCommand system, so we option this with the JayCommand and TPMS. Here's that entryway closet. You got 2 shelves in there and some coat hooks. To the right of your entranceway, you get a fireplace, nice little entertainment center with kind of an open space down there. Now, because that's open underneath, I really would have liked some accent lighting down there, like what's under the dinette. So you got your fireplace, that kicks out some heat if you want it, or you can just use it for ambiance. Then we got your radio. There's your plug for your TV. If you get a Whitehawk with the Overlander 2 system, that gives you 400 watts of solar and an 1800 watt inverter that runs straight to your TV. And then you can just run your TV off the inverter straight off your battery if you want to go that way. And back to the slide. You got theater seating with the tables. Those tables come out. Nice big windows. In the Whitehawk, you get switches for all your lights. And new for 2024 is a vacuum bonded laminated floor. You'll notice there's no vents for the heat on the floor. Now on to your bedroom. Got a big wardrobe, big drawers down there, 5-piece drawers again. Spot for a TV in that upper cabinet. We got a vent right here in the bedroom. Here's a look at your drawers. We've got a slide in here for your bed, full length queen. You get side tables on both sides with USB-A, USB-C, and regular household power outlets. And that power, the outlets here in the slide are pre-wired to the inverter. Under the bed, you got a bunch of storage. Got a plywood base, super solid, super nice, and very, very nice memory foam mattress. All right, now we got 2 entrances to your bathroom. One comes from the bedroom, one from your living room. We got a medicine cabinet back here. We got LEDs in here on the roof. We got an air conditioning vent, and there's a nice little blue light, so you can have that on at night without having to turn on the big lights, and you can just see what you're doing. Skylight in the shower. And this is a big curved shower. Now, one of the best parts about Jayco is the reinforced shower floor. Got some robe hooks or towel hooks up there. In the Whitehawk, as standard, you get a porcelain foot flush toilet. Got another cabinet One of the best parts about the Whitehawk is that barreled roof. At the peak, it's 6'9" inside. Then you got the Magnum Truss roof up top with a 4,500 pound weight rating. So outside, we got that fiberglass front cap. There's some really nice lighting up there, but you can't tell because the sun is just beating on us down here. Got dual pane frameless windows. Now the Whitehawk, just like the J Feather, uses composite in their vacuum bonded laminated fiberglass. So you're fully aluminum framed, and you got an Asdel composite instead of a Luan backer for your vacuum bonded fiberglass. So what that means is, even if water gets in your walls, which it shouldn't, that's a maintenance problem, the composite, the Asdel, is mold, mildew, expansion resistant, so you shouldn't get any delamination or anything like that, ideally, and it makes for a better wall. This is a great looking trailer. I love the new design for the Whitehawk. Subtle blues, lots of sharp contrast, some storage, as well as a battery disconnect in there. You've also got your griddle and your bumper mount for the griddle. Outdoor shower right there. Now that uses a quick connect spray hose instead of a one that you have to roll up, so that's in the pass-through as well. Big single slide, that's rack and pinion. And then we've got your bed slide here with that nice Whitehawk text. Down here we got that wide stance axles. I'll show you what a regular stance looks like on a J Feather, and you can really see the difference. We got galvanized steel wheel wells just like always. We got a custom frame with more cross members and more outriggers. Then we got your sewer hose, or your sewer pull down there on the left, and all your hookups, city water connection, black tank flush, it's all right there. Then we come around back, got a spare tire there, there's that window into your bedroom, Jayco smart lighting up top. You can see those marker lights. We're also prepped for a backup camera. Got a ladder to get up, and I'll show you what's up on the roof there. We've got a propane quick connect and a bumper mount for the griddle that comes with this unit. Well, it's optional. We option them with it. We got rock solid Lippert stabilizers here. You can get the Whitehawk with electric jacks. It is quite a bit more expensive and slower. We got proper marine grade outdoor speakers. Huge awning with an LED strip underneath. You got a TV mount, TV hookups out here. Here's your mount. And your hookups down there. Goodyear Endurance tires. I missed that when we were talking over there. High quality tire. Jayco style. Now the Whitehawk has something called Climate Shield. You're gonna stay cooler in the summer, you're gonna stay warmer when it's cold. You know, I can't really tell you that anything is for season, at least where I am. Here in Alberta, it gets really, really, really cold. But this one's also been equipped with the 120 volt tank pads. So why 120? Why would you do 120s when everybody else is doing 12s? Well, Jayco tested it. The 12 volt pads just can't hold the tanks long enough. Basically, Jayco tested them for a couple days and found that the 120 volt pads are just way better at keeping your tanks warm. You also get 12 volt heat tape around your main water line. And then of course you got your enclosed, heated, insulated underbelly. Those heat pads really help if you want to do extended 3 seasons, or you know, if you're in the right place and it doesn't get too cold, you can definitely get away with 4 seasons. I've got on-demand hot water out here, standard for 24. Then we got your furnace and your potable water fill there. You get Lippert solid steps here and the Aluma-Treads back there. So the Aluma-Treads fold up and then the Lipperts flip up into the door. Now with that backup camera prep, we're also prepped for the side cameras. And again, Jayco style, we've got an integrated A-frame. So that means it goes right through the front underneath. It's not tacked on, it's fully welded all the way through. So you don't have to be afraid of your A-frame coming off while you're rolling down the road. All right, y'all. Well, that is the 2024 Jayco Whitehawk 26FK. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.